Georgia Southern Athletics here with Coach Rodney Hennon, baseball coach, also member of the committee, the hiring committee for the new director of athletics. Coach, tell us a little bit about not only the process, but how excited you are about this new era for Georgia Southern Athletics.
Well, it's an exciting time, and first of all, I thought the committee worked extremely hard throughout the whole process. We had a strong pool of candidates to choose from, and everyone worked very well together. Dr. Core, serving as our chair, provided great leadership for our committee, and feel like we got the right guy, the right fit for Georgia Southern, and where our department and where our university is right now, and where we're heading. And certainly excited about the leadership that Tom Kleinlein is going to bring to Georgia Southern University.
Coach, long process throughout the month of August, headed into this day, this announcement day. What does it mean for the program? What are some of the ideas that he shared during the interview process? Well,
I think first of all, I think he brings a lot of energy and passion to what you want to see, and also I think has a vision for the future, and with the ever-changing landscape in college athletics, I think he has a good grasp on that, and is going to be the right person to lead us through that as we move forward.
Well, Coach Rodney Hennon, thanks for sharing your thoughts with us at Georgia Southern Athletics. We appreciate it and look forward to the rest of the season.
Thanks.